LP with S&W Service and Repair. And today I got a quick little story for you. It's only gonna take me like 3 minutes to let you guys know what I already know. So my grandpa, he was an old cat, and he was from Kentucky. Moved over to Ohio, had a family, got divorced, came down to Dallas. Had my father and 2 other daughters, and now you got me right here. Anyway, my grandpa was gamed up, had a lot of game. I always had a lot of women who wanted to be in his presence and be around him. Like everybody knew, all the ladies knew my grandpa. But anyway, my grandpa used to always give me this game when I was growing up. And one time he asked me a question. He asked me, I had an 85 Buick Regal Brown. So he asked me, hey son, do you ride around without a spare tire? And I was like, nah, I got a spare, Papa. And he was like, is it a full size or is it a donut? And I was like, nah, I got a full size tire in my trunk. You know what I'm saying? I keep a full size one. And cause I was broke, I ain't had no money. So you need to keep a full size one. You can't be riding around on a donut. But anyway, back in the day, everything was cheaper. Anyway, this was 1999. Okay. I know. So the question that he asked me, it was a 2-part question. If I rode around without a spare, now what would that make you think of? Having a backup. Today I ran into a situation that I've never ran into before. I had this meter right here, and I had a Whirlpool stand-up freezer. And the stand-up freezer had a problem. It had ice all over the back wall. So I'm checking the thermistors. And I took the first one out that was on the wall, unscrewed it, popped it out, checked it. Okay, good to go. I get to the second one. I had to thaw the back wall out to get to it. Had ice everywhere. I mean, everywhere. I had previously asked the customer, did they, ask them to defrost it since they had removed all their meat out of it. When I got there, no such luck. So anyway, back wall defrosted, thermistor froze in a block of ice. I get my steamer, I thaw it out. And I put that one down there to check it. All the while, I'm not thinking anything about it, just going through my normal routine, just like all of us do. I put the probes in, I put the negative in, I put the positive, the red, and the numbers started going because I have an auto ranging, and boop, battery, it dies. I have one of these customers who looking right over my shoulder. He's trying to see everything. He wants to know what the reading is, if it's right, if it's wrong, what's going on. As soon as that thing flashed battery, I could feel his eyes right on the side of my head right there. Like, he's like, what you gonna do? The battery's out. I said, man, I'll be right back. I got another meter in my truck. Matter of fact, I have 2 meters in my truck. I stay gamed up because of what my grandfather told me. He said, every woman has a spare. They have a backup. So son, you need to get with the program. Not only was he talking about my car, but he was talking about the women in my life. Don't just be running around out here with one. Now I know. This isn't that type of channel. But what that did teach me was to always have a spare. I got another meter. I have 2 more in my truck. And if I would have looked hard enough, I probably had batteries to change out the one that died. But anyway, the moral of the story is to make sure you have more than one of the tools that you're going to need to finish the job or get the job done. Hey guys, these meters aren't very expensive. I'll put a link in the description so you can pick one up. Matter of fact, too. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just a little something that I thought about, but because of one of the calls that I had today, and it made me think, man, I always stay ready, or at least I try to. And I want you to do the same thing. Always try and stay ready, man. This is LP with S&W Service and Repair. Links are down below. Share this video with somebody you think need it. I want you to go ahead, like and subscribe if you are rocking with the content that I've been putting out. Also, in the comment box down below, go ahead and put if you have 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meters. Let me know. I know you might be saying my meters are a piece of junk and cheap. Cool. Tell me that in the comments down below. Also, if you got a specific topic you need to talk about or you need me to talk about, go ahead, put that down in the comment. The links below are affiliate links. Buy me a cup of coffee, dude, when I'm down here trying to give you the best content that I can. Hey, till next time, this is LP with S&W Service and Repair. Be great.